Let me ask you a question. What if I told you that your imagination has an economic value? Your ability to talk, sing, dance, write, create something, do design, paint, or even making people laugh online is one of the most powerful factors shaping the global economy right now. And the world is entering the new era where imagination is the most valuable asset. And the world called this the orange economy. The term was popularized by John Hawkins in 2001 when he asked the question that changed the way the world saw creativity. What if imagination has economic value? And today we have the answer. In global economy, creative industry is generating nearly $2.3 trillion per year, and more than 6% of the global employment is created. Even during 2001 crisis, everything from oil to industries collapsed. But the creative industry bounced back within few months because people needed stories. They needed music to listen, so they never stopped creating. Now, why call it orange economy? Because the color orange represents energy. It denotes fire. It represents also the transformation. The transformation made of design, culture, art, music, film, content, where every creativity is not just an escape from the work, but it is the work. UNCTAD puts it simply, the orange economy includes all the cycles of creation, production, and distribution of goods and services that use creativity and intellectual capital as primary inputs. In other words, our mind is the factory. And right now in the global economy, we are seeing something powerful. India is emerging as a creative superpower. From Bollywood's global reach to the Tamil YouTubers making more than tech CEOs, we are witnessing the transformation. India now has over 10 million jobs in creative sectors. Our media and entertainment industry is set to cross $100 billion by 2030, and every third Instagram influencer in the world is Indian. So this is the power of storytelling, emotion, language, and rhythm translated into job and impact. And the next 5 years will change everything. The future is for those who can merge technology with creativity. AI plus human collaboration, where ChatGPT can write scripts, but only human poet can give them a heart. Blockchain and ownership. With technologies like NFTs and smart contracts, artists can now be paid forever for their creation, not just once. The metaverse. Virtual concerts are already selling more tickets than stadium tours. Designers are building virtual fashion lines. Animators are becoming architects of whole new worlds. In India, the creator economy is growing at 18% CAGR. It was 19 billion in 2023, but estimated at 34 billion by 2026. Now, let me ask you a question. What is your role in this orange economy? Because for the first time in history, we can all be the shareholders. You can consume consciously, pay for the music you love, respect artists, support local creators, buy from the indie designers, writers, and makers. Demand fair policies. We need copyright laws that protect humans, not just algorithm. And as Maya Angelou said, you can't use up the creativity. The more you use, the more you have. So use it purposefully, boldly, and freely. At SNC, we help creators, entrepreneurs, and dreamers to thrive in this new world. We guide them to map their vision, scale their impact, and protect what they have created. From storytelling to strategies, IP to tech tools, and soul to scale. Everything all at one place. Visit our website www.asncuniverse.com because the future is orange. So let's paint it together.